Now the same way we can send mobile app push notifications as well. Okay, we have mobile push here. The same way we have mobile connect, the same way we have mobile push. The way we have mobile connect, the same way we have mobile push. So in mobile push, the requirement is you should have a mobile app. Suppose you have Android or iOS application, that is none of your concern. The third party team would provide you application details. That application you need to check if it is hosted and licensed on Play Store and Google App Store. So now you have to configure that application. Once you have to configure that application, you have to go to administration section. Once you go to administration section, you can click on create new app. Suppose you want to integrate a new app for our company, then you can create that app with this particular name. Now once you have defined the name of that app, you are required to have a mobile push icon. Mobile push icon, whenever you receive a push notification, you get it via a particular app icon. So you can have a mobile push icon. You can have a mobile push icon. Image uploaded, this should be a dimension of that particular image. Then if it is an Android app, or if it is an iOS app or Android app, or both, you need to get all these details from your application team. If it is an Android app, if it is an iOS app, ask them to provide APN auth keys. If it is the Android app, they would give you a Firebase configuration JSON file. So these configuration files you need to get and upload it. They would give you a configurable provisioning file. Configurable provisioning file. Once you have configured, you have to click on test connection. Once you click on test connection, if connection is validated, you can click on save option. Once you have saved the app, you will see that this is the app we just saved. Sorry, this is the app we just saved, where you see the app icon as well. But if configuration files are given and are tested, then these apps can be used to send push notifications. Now, to develop a push notification, again we have to go to content builder. Push notifications can be sent on Android or iOS app, or to Apple smart watches, or to the Apple smart watches. Smart watches are also supported with Salesforce Marketing Cloud Mobile Studio. So suppose the same invoice you have to send. The same invoice you have to send via a push notification also. The same invoice you have to send via push notification also. Push notification does support multimedia, guys. Then you can click on create option. You can have mobile app. Now two types of mobile app messages: in-app messages and push notifications. In-app messages are the messages which you can see in the notification section of an icon. Every app has a notification section, okay, a bell button kind of thing. Once you go and click on that notification icon, you see what are the notifications you have got. If you want to have an in-app message or a push notification, you can select that. Now push notification can be sent on iPhone. These are various preview modes: lock screen, long press, alert, banner. You have it from Android, lock screen, shade. You have it on Apple Watch. So multiple views preview modes are available, which you can check, where you can check look and feel. Push notifications supports all the personalization strings and AMP codes. Where you can go and click on preview option, select the data extension where you have saved the subscriber details. We have subscriber profiles here. So the same concept would apply here. You see, the name is changing, product purchase, all these things. You can, this is an iPhone view. If this notification is sent on iPhone, how it looks, on alert, how it looks, on banner, how it looks. You can change the Android. This is how it looks on Android. On shade, this is how it looks. You can even see Apple Watch preview. If that app is installed on Apple Watch, how it is gonna look. So once you are satisfied with the AMP code, everything, you can save this SMS. You can save this SMS. Once you save this, SMS, if you have to deploy this SMS as a one-time send, you can go to mobile push, click on create message, select outbound. We will see this later. Click on next option, select the, provide the message name, select the app. Now you cannot select the app because we do not have a licensed app uploaded. But even if you have that app, then again API triggered automations are there. Okay, for schedule you can do it. For API, again, to send API based message, go to journey builder. So click on create new journey option. Click create option, API event. You already know how to trigger. You have in-app message push notifications options like you had SMS. You have push notifications options as well. Select push notification from here. Select the message you want to send as a part of push notification. This is the message you want to send as a part of push notification. Okay. Configure to which mobile app you want to send. You can configure plenty of mobile apps in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, guys. Okay. You can select that desired mobile app, and then you already know how to trigger this API event. This will be sent. You can do this via automation as well. Automation also has push notification activity, where you can save a push notification configuration by selecting audience, defining content here, and you can have an automation scheduled on triggered basis to send you a send push notification activities there inside automation. You can select the push notification you have saved. Now there is one unique capability in push notification. I will give you an example. I often travel between Delhi and Bangalore. Delhi is my hometown. Noida is my hometown. I often board flight from Delhi and I uh, go to Bangalore every month, twice or thrice. Now I have Uber application in my phone. I have Ola application in my phone. Whenever I reach Delhi airport, okay, Ola or Uber knows that I am at Delhi airport. Then I take a flight and I reach to Bangalore. Whenever my phone comes in signal again, and if Uber detects that my previous location was Delhi and now it has changed to Bangalore airport, Uber will send me a push notification, welcome to Bangalore airport, get a safe ride from Uber. Okay, get Prime, Sedan, whatever their offers are, get 25% off, whatever it is. They just detect my push, they just detect my location and sends an immediate push notification. This is very aggressive marketing Uber and Ola are doing. Or you take another example, if you are in India, you might have used Swiggy and Zomato app. Whenever your delivery guy deliver reaches that restaurant, you get a push notification that the delivery person has reached the location, has reached the restaurant, your order is picked up, and then whenever the delivery guy is near your house, okay, then you get another push notification that delivery guy has reached your location. Before he comes and knocks your doorbell, if he has reached your location, you might be living in an independent house or an apartment, you might be living in a society. If he has reached your society or that particular location, you get another push notification, your delivery person has reached, will be delivering order soon. Now these push notifications are very interactive location based push notifications, where every mobile app whichever you have downloaded ask your consent to access location of your phone. Every mobile app asks your consent to access the location of your phone. Once they access location of your phone, they know your previous and current location, and that location they use for marketing. The same thing happens, can be done with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Or if you wonder how these companies are accessing and sending you interactive location based push notifications, they are generally doing it with the help of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Because in Salesforce Marketing Cloud mobile push, you have an option to select location. You have an option to select location. Now take an example. Suppose I am driving, okay, today's weekend, and I want, I want to go on a tour. Okay, I'm touring Delhi. Suppose now at there is a specific store of Pizza Hut. There is a specific store of Pizza Hut. There is a place called Connaught Place in Delhi where we have a Pizza Hut or a Subway store. Now they want to roll out a marketing plan that whenever somebody comes near this Pizza Hut or Subway location, they should get a promotional offer. So what they will do is they will click on create location. They will select geofence. Geofence are now map based locations. Geofence means Google Maps. Earlier Google Maps were not there, so they used to install beacons. Beacons are the Bluetooth devices, but beacons are not used now. Beacons are Bluetooth devices, but now Google Maps, Apple Maps have taken place, so we use geofence location. So suppose I want to send a push notification. I am Subway, and whenever I detect that somebody has reached a location which is Subway, okay, so this is Subway block M Connaught Place. Okay, whenever somebody comes near to this location, he should get a push notification from Subway app if he has installed Subway app that your store is nearby 500 meters you can select, or 1000 meters. So whenever somebody reaches 500 meters or 1000 meters geofence radius of this particular store, of this particular location, Subway location at this place, okay, plot number 3 opposite Statesman House, block M, Connaught Place, New Delhi. So if somebody reaches this position anytime, he should receive a push notification. So I have selected that Subway location. Now I have to deploy a campaign, SMS campaign, that whenever somebody reaches this Subway location, he should receive a push notification. So you can click on, you can again go to overview option, click on create message. We had outbound, now we have location entry or exit. Location entry means somebody is entering that geofence road location, or location exit means somebody is exiting that geofence location. Location entry you can have if somebody is entering. Location exit we generally use for feedback. Suppose you left a particular mall and then you receive SMS from that particular mall, push notification from that particular store, like Shopper Stop store, Pantaloons store, Big Bazaar store, okay, that rate your experience, though that you can use for location exit. But if somebody has entered if somebody has location entry, like Swiggy, Zomatos are using, they are entering your location and you are getting push notifications. Or I am going to enter into a Subway store in Connaught Place, then I will select location entry, click on next option. Then here you will get to select the mobile app, then you will be get to select the location which you have saved here, and then you define content and send. You can schedule it using automation also, or you can have an API also. That business use case you should get. So once somebody comes and enters that particular location, you are going to receive SMS. So this is very interactive and innovative way to send SMS from Salesforce, push notification using Salesforce Marketing Cloud. The same way we have Group Connect as well, guys. But in Group Connect, we have to integrate third-party apps. For that, we have to get license. For example, Line Messenger or WeChat Messenger, which is commonly used in China. All these messengers we have to integrate. So once you integrate that, you will be able to develop their contents using content builder. You will be able to develop their content using content builder. In content builder, click on create option. You have chat messaging section, line messenger. Line messenger is hardly used in India. Nobody uses that. In China, it is used. The same thing you can do. You can add content. You can click on subscriber preview. You can click on source option, select data extension for the preview. And you will be able to see that. The same way you will be able to deploy by clicking on create message, outbound message, but you have to select a messaging account. This feature of Mobile Studio is hardly used by any company. Rather, we use WhatsApp. WhatsApp integration is provided inside Journey Builder by Salesforce Marketing Cloud. If you want to send WhatsApp messages, you should have a commercial WhatsApp license from Salesforce. That WhatsApp integration is provided by default by Salesforce. This is the WhatsApp message. But you should have a WhatsApp license configured by Salesforce. This is not just like you can configure your own phone number. So it says that looks like you need WhatsApp chat messaging feature to start chatting with your customers content marketing cloud representative. So WhatsApp, instead of group connect, guys, most common application we use is the WhatsApp. But for WhatsApp, we require a license which will be procured by Salesforce. From Salesforce you have to get. So once you have that, the same thing happens. Either you can schedule API, whatever it is, you can use it inside the Journey Builder. WhatsApp cannot be used at any other place in the Mobile Studio. Most commonly features which are used from Salesforce Marketing Cloud Mobile Studio is Mobile Push and Mobile Connect. In Mobile Connect, only SMS are used. So that was all about configurations we have in Salesforce Marketing Cloud Mobile Studio. Remaining automation part has to be done from Journey Builder and automation, which we have already seen. Any questions on Mobile Studio, guys? How do you specify the international region for the send blackout? So, guys, this is a good question. For that, you have to select multiple. You have to define multiple business units, because blackout window will consider business unit time zone. Suppose this is a business unit, and this business unit has a specific time zone which you can go in company setting, account setting. Once you go to company setting, account setting, you will see that particular time zone. The time zone is this. Now you can create any other business unit, suppose for any other country, integrate their short code, long code, and then you define a blackout window for that particular country.